Good day. We're a family of three. We're looking for a budget-friendly stateroom with an ocean view.
Good day. Of course, may I ask how many adults and children in the party?
We have two adults and our children Pasinio.
Well, I would recommend the Ocean View Family Staterooms on Deck 7. It's quite affordable and you can enjoy watching the beautiful view of the sea.
That sounds perfect. Does it really have an ocean view?
Yes, sir. You will have a lovely window right facing the sea, so you can watch the waves anytime.
I want to see the dolphins. Can we see it now?
Let's hope we do, sweetie.
Would you like to reserve this stateroom for your family?
Yes, please, we'll take it.
Great reservation confirmed. Enjoy your cruise with Royal Caribbean.
This way.
Let's go, sweetie.
We're looking for stateroom close to the elevator. My husband is injured and walking long distances is really tough for him.
Yes, it's really hard for me right now. I prefer not to walk too far.
Good day. I completely understand. We have accessible stateroom available on deck 8, which are located very close to the elevator. And we have our Miss Pasita, our accessibility officer, that can guide you to your room. Good morning, officers. So I will be your guide here, accessible room. Just please follow me. So here we are, ma'am, at our accessible stateroom. So here, ma'am, as you can see, we are in accessible stateroom, which are equipped with wider doors. As you can see, it is for customers or guests like you, sir, that have injuries. And aside from that, we also have safety bars over here, where you can see the ocean view or scenic views with no hassle. And aside from that, we also have features that surely ensure your safety, your comfort, and ease of access.
Thanks again, Miss, for helping us.
Of course, sir, ma'am, it's my pleasure. And if you need anything, we're always available at guest services, just a floor up on deck 5. Have a wonderful cruise!
Excuse me, I need to report an issue in our staterooms immediately.
I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am. What seems to be the problem?
The linens are stained and the mattress smells terrible. This is unacceptable.
We truly sincerely apologize for the inconvenience, ma'am, but I'll make sure as soon as possible this is handled right away.
I'll replace the wings right now, ma'am, and check the mattress for you.
And additionally, ma'am, if you feel the need, we can also transfer you to replace your stateroom if you need.
Well, I hope it's done soon because I'm not paying for this kind of experience.
We'll take care of it immediately, ma'am. You'll be comfortable in your time.
Thank you so much for your patience, ma'am. We'll make sure everything is perfect for you.
This way, ma'am.
Excuse me, can you please tell us where the entertainment hall is?
Of course, the Masquerade Theater is located right here in Deck 5.
How do we get there from here?
You all are ready on Deck 5. From the lobby, just walk straight ahead and turn left. You'll get past the guest services area and the entrance of the theater is directly ahead.
We can't wait to see the show!
Oh my god, guys, do you think it will be more fun as a pool party?
I think this will be more elegant.
Then we know, is it far from the staterooms?
Not far at all. Most of our staterooms are in Deck 7 and 8, so you'll just need to take an elevator down to Deck 5.
thank you for the clear directions. You've made it so much easier.
You're welcome and enjoy the show.
We're going to have the best time ever. Let's go, girls.